Hey there, welcome to the Portable Crows channel. Casey here, AI7NN, and I got a tip from Scott, W6EEP. He commented in one of the videos and noticed that the main dial here wasn't matching what we had down here. And for example, when we got this all zeroed, you use your marker generator at the 100 kilohertz, and then you get it aligned with the tone, and then you can move this silver dial and zero it out. When I had mine zeroed out up here on the main dial, it never matched. It was never at the 0 or the 100 or 200, for example. It was off like maybe 15 to 18 kilohertz. So what we're going to do today is get this aligned, and it should be a real quick fix. So let's get right to it. All right, so let's get a closer look at what I'm talking about. If you notice our silver dial here, it's already zeroed out, and that's because I used the 100 kilohertz marker generator. And see, I'm already there. And if you weren't, you do your adjustment, and you can move this wheel, right, to get it where you need it once you get it all aligned. And what we're referring to now to try to get fixed is up here. So this vertical line should be over the 200 mark because I have it, zeroed out. So this is what we're going to fix. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to turn the radio off and get it unplugged, and then we'll open up the cover. All right, so we're looking at the back side of that VFO now. So this is the front side of the radio. The VFO is right here, little dial. And what we want to turn is this circle piece right here. And it should be, you just put your hand in there and just kind of give it a little move, and we get it lined up how we need it. And that's it. So let's turn it back on and see if we have it where we need it. All right, let's turn it on. Let's check. Let's see if we're lined up. So we're zeroed out on the dial still, and you can see the vertical mark is now at the 200 mark like it should be. Let's check our tone. Looks like we're still there. Very nice. Let's check the 25 position. So we should have the 25, 50, and 75 line up. So there's the 25. Here's the 50. It's looking good. 75 looks good. If we get back to the 300, also the 0. Awesome. So it looks like everything is lined up how it should be now. So really appreciate that tip, Scott, W6EEP. If it wasn't for you, I would have left that, off a little bit, which would drive me insane. So we got everything lined up how it should, and really easy fix. So hope this helps everybody. It definitely helped me, and appreciate everyone's input. So I'll catch everyone in the next video. 73.
I'm now a radio man. You can bet your boots he knows his stuff.